File Explorer is also back and runs very similar to the previous version. There are, however, slight changes to its menu options. To access, go ahead and click on the icon or press Windows key and E simultaneously. As mentioned, File Explorer is very much the same. You have an area in which you can pin files and folders for quick access, as well as to access your PC, desktop, documents, photos, and other types of folders. You also have the ability to navigate through the address bar. When it comes to managing files, everything is pretty much the same. The only difference is the option menu. When I click on a folder and go to a file, and I select right-click, you'll notice that the option menu looks a little bit different. Notice that you can't find the copy and paste or rename options in writing. Instead, they have changed into icons above. You have the option to cut, to copy, to rename, and then to share or delete. If you want more options, go ahead and select on the Show More Options button, and this will give you a menu that looks very much like the one in Windows 10. Other subtle differences lie in the top navigational plane. For instance, to create a new file or folder, you just select on the New button and create a new folder or file. Or if you would like to change the view of your folders and files, you can click on the View button and then change it accordingly, from extra large icons to a simple list. Although File Explorer is very similar to the previous version, it'll still be important to take time to get used to the new user interface.